All right, so we want to add a calculated value column. So once more, we'll go up to our list tab and choose create a column. And from our list here, we're going to go down and select calculated, and we have to give it a name. So let's call this total cost. Let's give it a description. Cost of items purchased. Now look at here. We didn't see this before. We have a section for a formula. Now don't get scared. It's pretty simple. Notice over here on the right, we have insert column, and we have the name of all of our columns. In the formula, it's very simple syntax. If you know anything about Excel and writing formulas in Excel, you can do this. If you don't, we have some excellent training on Excel, or you can look it up online for syntax for formulas in a SharePoint calculated value list. We're going to do a very simple one. We'll start with an equal sign. Now, it couldn't be more easier. You simply insert the column. So we're going to say the cost. So we're going to add that to the formula. Then we have to have our operator, our multiplication symbol in our case, which is simply the asterisk, cost times number of items. Add that to the formula. That's it. That's all we have to do. It's really simple. And how do we want to return the value from this formula? Well, we want it to be currency, remember, because we're multiplying how many times the cost. We want to get that final cost. And decimal places, we'll leave it automatic. Currency format is US dollars, so we will choose OK. And look at that. It showed up there just like that. Pretty awesome, isn't it? So it's very simple. Now, whenever we go ahead and change this number or change the cost, this is going to go ahead and be adjusted, our total cost. Let's show you. Let's say here, let's go and let's say that Greg has ordered some more keyboards. We'll go up to items and choose edit item. And let's say, well, he added another 10. So now we have 15 that we've bought. And now we've spent $299.25 on keyboards. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Let's take a look up here. You see that this says edit. Remember the last time? I just went up here to items and chose edit item from there. But we also have edit here. This is what we call quick edit. See that? Edit this list using quick edit. Now watch what happens when I click here. It opens up what looks more like an Excel spreadsheet. So let's change this 5 here to 7. Hit enter. It's very much like an Excel spreadsheet at this point. Now think about this. Wouldn't this be a nice way to have this viewed all the time? Have this list presented like this. But while it's open, this is kind of considered open. So we'd have to tell it to stop editing this list to get back to here. Well, that is basically what the Datasheet View is. So let's go ahead now and take a look at creating this Datasheet View, and we can even set it as the default view, so it's like that all the time when we come to this list.